Now the question before us is, a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red? So here we will write the answer. Number of red balls, 3. Number of black balls, it is 5. Now, what is the total number of balls or outcomes? It is 8. We have used the word outcomes. It means that if we put all the balls in the bag, how many times we can pick up a ball? That is the outcome. How many times we will be able to pick up a ball? Only 8 times, because there are only 8 balls in the bag. Now what we are to find out? We are here to find out the probability that the ball drawn is red. So here, what is the number of red balls? As we are to find out the probability of red balls, so number of red balls means favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes is equal to 3, because we are to find out how many times there is the probability of getting out the red ball. That is the favorable outcome should be red balls. So here we have written number of red balls oblique favorable outcomes. So what is the probability of getting a red ball is equal to P E is equal to, what is the formula for calculation of probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. Here on the upper side we will write the number of red balls, which are 3. The total number of possible outcomes means the total number of balls which are there in the bag, it is 8. So the probability of getting a red ball is 3 oblique 8. This is the answer. Now the next part. What is the probability that the ball drawn is not red? So here we will calculate the probability of getting not the red ball. In other words, we can say that it means probability of not E, not getting of the event, not occurrence of the event. Here we will use it here. We have to find out the same. So we know that the sum of two complementary events is equal to 1. That is, in other words, we can say that probability of occurrence of the event and the probability of not occurrence of the event is equal to 1. Here we have to find out probability of not occurrence of the event, that is the probability of not getting the red ball. Here 1 minus probability of occurrence of the event. In the previous answer we had found out that the probability of occurrence of the event is 3 over 8. So here it will come as 5 over 8. So this is the answer to second part of the question, not red. So now we can also solve this question in another way. How? Here we will write that total number of balls oblique outcomes is equal to 8. Now the number of black balls which are there, these are 5. So now we have to find out the probability of not getting red ball. It means that if we are saying that we will not get red ball, it in other words we means that we are talking about the probability of getting the black ball. Probability of getting a black ball. Now how we can calculate the probability of getting a black ball? Here we will write the number of black balls on the upper side, and on the lower side we will write the total number of balls. So this is the answer before you. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.